straws we can.
Oh, yeah. That's silly. When we look in the sliding glass door, there's 2 straws.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Milk.
Milk? That's what you're drinking. What's that on your plate?
I'm eating this.
Do you remember what it's called?
No.
Pomegranate?
Pomegranate I'm eating.
Yeah? Are you eating the skin of it?
No. The inside, the seeds.
The seeds? Are the seeds the yummy part?
Yeah. The outside and not the yummy part. This and not. I'm an eater.
Oh, it's not. Can you show me the yummy part? Oh, yeah, that is the yummy part.
Those doesn't never eat the yummy part.
Mmm.
So, they'll go get another one up. Maybe pomegranate. Try to eat this, the yummy part, okay?
Okay.
Don't try it then.
Go try it then?
Yeah.
I'm full. I'm okay. Thank you, though. Besides, we got to save some of the yummy part for tomorrow for you, right? Or you think you're going to want more pomegranate tomorrow?
I'll finish the rest of this seeds eat tomorrow, okay? But I want to eat all of the seeds without eat the rest seeds and this pomegranate tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
And this one, okay?
Okay.
Not in that one, okay?
Okay.
That's a good idea.
That is a good idea.
Whoa. The seed just broke down when he got it off.
Oh, that's so silly of that seed. Do you want some help? Should I break it open a little bit more so it's easier to get the seeds?
Yeah.
Okay.